The biggest mistake parents make isn't the wrong gear. It's expecting a 6-year-old to hike for a destination rather than for discovery. If you usually hike 3 miles an hour, expect 0.5 miles with a toddler. Your goal is no longer the summit. It is a positive experience. If they stop to look at a bug for 10 minutes, that is the hike. Most beginners wait until the kids are tired to turn back. This is a trap. You need to turn around while they still have 40% of their energy left, because the walk back always feels twice as long to a child. Skip the expensive technical hiking boots for now. Comfortable sneakers are fine. Instead, invest that budget in a comfortable carrier for little ones and high-reward snacks. A hungry kid is a hiking emergency waiting to happen. Kids don't care about views. They care about games. Create a scavenger hunt before you leave the car to keep them moving forward. Finding 3 types of leaves or a specific colored rock keeps them focused on the trail without complaining about their legs. Teach the hug a tree rule immediately. If they can't see you, they must stop moving and hug a tree. Give them a whistle, but enforce the rule. It is for emergencies only, not a toy. Children regulate temperature differently than adults. Use the 1 layer more rule. Start them with 1 more layer than you are wearing, but check their neck frequently for sweat. Success requires a low bar. Start with a flat, 1-mile loop. Bring double the snacks you think you need, and leave this summit fever at home. Keep it short, keep it fun, keep them safe.